Hey guys, it's Taylor here at Westcott Designs. Today we're going to be installing our brand new tow hooks on our 2025 4Runner. These tow hooks can be installed on 6th Gen 4Runners, 4th Gen Tacomas, LC250s, and GX550s. For our tools today, you'll be needing a ratchet with a 17mm socket and some Loctite. So the first thing we're going to do is take off these two 17mm bolts on each side. Next, we're going to grab our Loctite and install our bolt with our new tow hook. Now that we have the driver's side done, we can move on to the passenger side. Well, that completes how to install our new tow hooks on our 2025 4Runner. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.